Okay, so for the newbies that don't know how to use triggers along with the setup zones that I use, well, I'm going to give you an example. So this is actually a 120-minute chart of NASDAQ futures, and one of the setups that we found this morning was pretty much based on symmetry. You know, you had multiple prior declines that we had projected from the new high to look for the next possible support. Now we ended up holding the top end of the support here, right? But how are you supposed to enter? So let me show you. Typically for day traders, we suggest something like either a 1-minute chart or 377 tick chart, actually, for entries in the indexes for, you know, day trades. So let's look at a 377 tick chart, and I'll show you where this basically triggered, because we ended up testing that support. It hit, it held, and then the initial buy signals are when you both have the moving average crossover, the 834 EMA crossover to the upside, and also in the process you want to see it taken out a prior swing high because you want to see a shift in the pattern. So we did actually see that. It hit, it held, it triggered. We did see a very healthy rally from there. Now know that once you take a trade against this area, you have the choice to either place the stop underneath the low that was made prior to your buy signal, or underneath the low end of the support, which in this case, well, that's probably would have been a little bit too far away for that. Bottom line, we did not make the target off of this low. It's possible that we still do since we're still above it. So if we continue to hold above it, your typical target's going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. But even if you don't, I mean, you take a zone like this, and just during this particular trading day, we had a rally of, let's see, this low to this high, 169 points. Okay, so again, you can definitely day trade with these levels, you can scalp with these levels, and you can swing trade with the levels.